This is my first ever running pack. Been on plenty of epic adventures, but about 2 years ago, it started falling apart. First was this main zip compartment on the back, a few snags on trees and stuff. Why not try and fix it? Gonna start off by unpicking this little seam through here, see what access I can get to the zip, see if I can get this thing restarted. Why are you not starting for me? No, can't get it to intermesh. Yes, success. Trying to get that zip was doing my bloody head in. After about 5 to 10 minutes of stuffing around, I finally get it. Next step now is tidy up this little bit down here that I've unpicked. And I've got to sew a little stopper so I don't zip it too far. One of the things will be fixed. Got a nice little rip here, so I'm going to try and attempt to close that back up a bit more. That didn't work, did it? Maybe need to put a patch over that. Didn't have much luck trying to sew this up. Coconut Cowboy sent me this epic little patch. I'm going to use that as a little bit of a hole patch up. Pretty stoked with how my repairs on the pack have turned out. It ain't the prettiest, but it's not going to fall apart anytime soon. It's great that I get to keep using this for hopefully many more years out on the trails. If you've got any broken packs, don't be afraid to pick up a bit of needle and thread and have a go at repairing them.